Jai Hind students, this is chapter 3 from gathering to growing food. So explanation of first and second page, domestication, their settlement, and the things that bones and grains they had been found, and here their settled life, and again here about tribes means here farmers and herders they had been found because bones were found and also grains were found. And here tribes they were people and they started living together in small settlements or in groups in villages also. And members of a tribe follow occupations such as hunting, gathering. They were hunters, gatherers, and herders and fishermen men also. Women also they did many work, as they would prepare the ground for sowing seeds, and they would also look after plants, and they were harvesting the grain, and children were also doing the same. And women were also grinding grain and husking and threshing. So women were also they were doing all these things, and also children were also doing their works. And they were means both women and men they were making pots, baskets, tools, and huts. So these all things they were doing, and also they were singing, dancing, and decorating their huts. So it is about tribes. And and they had one leader, and they were warriors, brave, and priests were also there. Old women were respected, and so many cultural traditions were there. Their own languages were there. बहुत उनकी अपनी म्यूजिक होती थी, स्टोरीज होती थी, पेंटिंग्स होती थी, अपने ट्रेडिशन होते थे. एंड व्हाट मेक्स ट्राइब डिफरेंस, बिकॉज रिच और पुअर बोथ वर इक्वल, क्योंकि किसी के लिए कोई चीज़ अलग नहीं होती थी, सबके लिए हर चीज़ इक्वल होती थी. सो हेयर वी विल रीड अबाउट मेहरगढ़. मेहरगढ़ एक ऐसा प्लेस था जहाँ पे सेटलमेंट मिला. एंड देन इट ऑल्सो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ऑल्सो दे केम टू नो दैट मेहरगढ़ पीपल वुड ग्रो barley and wheat, and they would rear sheep and goats for the first time in this area. And also archaeologists they found animal bones and levels also. So in later levels they found more bones of sheep and goats. Means in the first layer they had found wild animals bone, and in the later level they had found sheep and goats. So we will discuss here. See here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So suppose people first started living on flat land, level 4, and and the surface will gradually rise because people discard waste, because they discarded many waste materials. So it was just like heap, and generally stay and rebuild houses in same places. After hundreds of years this leads to the formation of a mound like this. So this is due to bones of animals, means wild animals, and also rearing animals. They would rear the animals. So this is about the waste materials that they had made about with the waste material. What is found from the upper layers of the mound is generally from a later time than what is found from the lower layer of the mound, so which are older. So this is due to waste material. So other finds that include remains of square at rectangular houses. मीन्स मेहरगढ़ में जो हाउस होते थे वो स्क्वायर में होते थे या रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में होते थे. ईच हाउस हैड 4 और मोर कंपार्टमेंट्स, और उनमें चार या उससे ज़्यादा कंपार्टमेंट्स मीन्स रूम होते थे. सम ऑफ विच मे हैव बीन यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरेज, और कुछ उसमें स्टोरेज. और ये सी हेयर दैट हाउ डिड दे बरी देयर पीपल. तो when they would bury their people, they would also bury with them animals and other essential things, because they would believe कि वो जो आदमी मर गया है उसको इन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होगी. सो वो उसके साथ ग्रेन्स भी दफनाते थे, जानवर भी दफनाते थे, कभी कभी पॉट्स और भी दफनाते थे. उनको ये लगता था कि वो उनकी ज़रूरत होगी. सो इन वन इंस्टांस द डेड पर्सन वॉज बरीड विद गोट्स. which were probably meant to serve as food in the next world. तो वह उसके साथ गोट्स को भी दफना देते थे, उनको ये लगता था कि मरने के बाद ये इसकी ज़रूरत होगी, तो वो डेड पर्सन के साथ साथ उसकी ज़रूरत का सामान जितना हो सकता था दे वुड बरी विद द डेड पर्सन. Now come to Dajoli heading. So find Dajoli heading on map 2, and this is a site on the hills near Brahmaputra Valley close to routes leading into China and Myanmar. So ये लीड करता है चाइना और म्यांमार की तरफ, ब्रह्मपुत्रा घाटी की तरफ से. एंड हेयर स्टोन टूल्स इंक्लूडिंग मोटार्स एंड पेस्टल्स वो होते हैं जिनसे कोई चीज़ ग्रिंडिंग की जाती है. जस्ट लाइक हिंदी में वी कैन से वहाँ एक हैंडल होता है एंड उसको एक ओखली हिंदी में कह सकते हैं, है ना, जिसमें उसको ग्रिंड किया जाता है. सो मोर्टार्स एंड पेस्टल्स दे हैव बीन फाउंड. दीज इंडिकेट दैट पीपल वर प्रोबेबली ग्रोइंग ग्रेन एंड प्रिपेयरिंग फूड फ्रॉम इट. और अदर फाइंड इंक्लूड जेडियाट, एक स्टोन होता है दैट मे हैव बीन ब्रॉट फ्रॉम चाइना, और जेडियाट को एक ऐसा स्टोन होता था जो चाइना से लाया गया था. ऑल्सो कॉमन आर फाइंड्स ऑफ टूल्स मेड ऑफ फॉसिल वुड, सो एंड पॉटरी, एंशेंट वुड that has hardened into stone and pottery. So यहाँ पे finds of tools made of fossil wood का मतलब जो फॉरेस्ट से मिला होता था उसको भी hardened stone, ancient wood that has hardened into stone, वो इतना हार्ड होता था just like stone, and pottery, और उससे पॉट्स वगैरह भी बनते थे. फाइंड टर्की इन योर एटलस, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस नियोलिथिक साइट पाई गई जहाँ पर बहुत शार्प और बहुत वेल maintained stone tools were found. Cattle huyuk was found in Turkey. Several things were brought from great distances. Find Syria, cowries from the Red Sea, shells from the Mediterranean Sea, and used in the settlement. Remember, there were no carts. Most things would have been carried on the backs of pack animals such as cattle or by people. So because transports were means of transport was not available at that time, so they would carry on the backs of animals or by people. And here we have read about a stone, and also we have read about mortars and pestles. Okay, so this is all about this. Thank you and Jai Hind students.